Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with Netflix, and specifically the error code M7053-1803. It says that there was an unexpected error. Please reload the page and try again. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I would suggest would be to actually go ahead and restart your computer and see if that resolves the issue. That could actually probably be what I would recommend trying first. If you are still having problems, go ahead and open up Chrome once you have restarted your computer. So once Chrome is open, you want to select the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser screen. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select the More Tools option and then select Clear Browsing Data. So once you're on this page, go ahead and select Advanced. And now you can uncheck browsing history, but I would keep cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files checkmarked. Select Clear Data. And once that's done, you will need to restart the browser, launch Netflix again, and hopefully that would have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.